August 15, 2021 is going to be a remarkable day for the electric vehicle industry in India because two most awaited electric scooters, Ola and Simple One, launching on the occasion of Independence Day. Both these electric scooters are equally powerful and smart electric scooters. In this video, we will see things you need to know before buying an Ola or a Simple One. So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. So firstly, we'll start with the subsidy on these two electric scooters. Simple One battery capacity is 4.8 kilowatt hour. Multiply with 15,000 rupees, you will get 72,000 rupees. So 72,000 rupees is the maximum subsidy for Simple One electric scooter. On the other side, Ola electric scooter to go with a battery capacity of up to 4 kilowatt hour. So multiply 4 with 15,000 rupees, you will get a maximum subsidy of up to 60,000 rupees. And the second point, it's about the origin of these two electric scooters. Simple One is completely designed and developed in India, whereas Ola electric scooter, the design is been sourced from Netherlands based Itergo app scooter, whereas the technical parts like the motor, battery and the controller is being designed in India. And the third point, it's about the range of these two electric scooters. Simple One electric scooter range is 240 kilometers in the eco mode. It is a certified range, whereas the Ola S1 electric scooter range can go up to 165 kilometers. It is going to be the certified range. And the fourth thing, it's about the popularity of these two electric scooters. Simple Energy is a 2-year-old startup, but it is offering some of the industry level best specifications. On the other side, Ola is a 10-year-old company having the branding advantage. That is one of the reasons why Ola electric scooter got 1 lakh plus pre-bookings in no time. And fifth thing, it's about the pricing of these two electric scooters. Simple Energy already mentioned about the pricing of the electric scooter. It lies between 1.1 lakh rupees to 1.2 lakh rupees. Whereas Ola Electric is yet to reveal the pricing of these two electric scooters. But we are expecting the pricing of the two models, Ola S1 and Ola S1 Pro, the pricing will be in between 1 lakh rupees to 1.2 lakh rupees. And the next point, it's about the pre-bookings of these two electric scooters. So Ola already started the pre-bookings of the electric scooters. Anybody can pre-book the electric scooter by paying 499 rupees. And the launch event of Ola electric scooters starts from August 15th, 2 p.m. onwards. Maybe by 3 p.m. onwards, you will get to know all the details about Ola electric scooter. On the other side, Simple Energy, the launch event starts from August 15th, 4 p.m. whereas the pre-bookings will start on 5 p.m. on the same day. Interested users can pre-book this Simple One electric scooter by paying 1947 rupees. So by August 15th, 5 p.m. you will get complete clarity about Simple One electric scooter and Ola electric scooters price, specifications and warranty. Based on these three factors, users can choose either of these two electric scooters. And finally, with the details we had about these two electric scooters, in terms of specification wise, Simple One electric scooter got an upper hand, whereas in terms of branding and promotion wise, Ola Electric is a true magician. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please do subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel, and for faster updates, please do follow our Facebook page. Go Green, Go Electric.